Today, the presidential election, Harris versus Trump. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Today on Tuesday, November the 5th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, 4 Stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with the regular puzzles. These 3 regular puzzles, and the first one is the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 Stars Sudoku number 9533. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. 2, 6, 9. Okay, 3 missing numbers here. Let me see. 2, 6, and a 5. Well, need to wait here. How about here then? Yeah. 5 missing numbers in the middle row. 2 of those missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers 5 and 6. We have 5 and 6 in this big square, so no 5 and 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 6 should be there. 5, 5. Okay, then let me see. How about need a 1, need a 4, need a 8. I need a 4 in the middle row. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, and look, we have a 4 and 8 in the last column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes in there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 1. 1, 1. 6, yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 7. Need a 4 here. Need a 7 here. Need 7 there. Okay. Let me think. Need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9, okay. How about this 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first one, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So third row, the only two places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Then, let me see. 2, 3. Yeah. 8, 8. Yeah, thinking. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 in the first column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright, 1, 5, 2. Alright, need a 9 there. How about 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8. I need 8 there. Need 8 here. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so in the row between. The only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This number 2, number 6. Alright. Still need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this second row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, okay. Let me think. 1, 1. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4, the 5 is missing here. The 5 there. And I need need a 2 here. Okay. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. 1 and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay, then let me see. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes at there. Oh, not the 2. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 should be here. Okay. Almost made a mistake. 3 and the 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3. 4 is missing. No, 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this third row for number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes together with the 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, from that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be at 0 stars because I'm faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.